In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to merge cells in Canva. By the end, you'll know exactly how to combine table cells to create cleaner headers, labels, or sections, all without disrupting the rest of your layout. Start by opening your project and navigating to the page that contains your table. Click the table once to select it. You'll know it's active when you see the table's outline and the cells highlight as you move your cursor. This puts Canva into table editing mode, so your next clicks target the cells themselves rather than the page. Now, choose the cells you want to merge. Hold down the Shift key on your keyboard, then click the first cell in the group. While still holding Shift, click the other cells you want included. Make sure your selection forms a clean rectangle like a row of column headers or a block in the top left corner of a section. Merging works best with a continuous, rectangular selection. If something looks off or the wrong cell got included, simply click it again to deselect, or clear the selection and try once more. Zooming in a bit can also help you click precisely, especially on smaller tables. With the correct cell selected, right-click anywhere inside that selection. A menu will appear with table options. Click Merge Cells. Canva will immediately join those cells into one larger cell, preserving the table's overall structure. If there was text inside those cells, it will now live inside the merged cell. Take a quick look to make sure the text still reads the way you intend. You can adjust spacing or alignment afterward, so the content sits neatly within the new cell. If the Merge Cells option is grayed out, it usually means the selection isn't a clean rectangle or the cells aren't adjacent. Reselect a continuous block and try again. And if you change your mind, you can always undo right away to revert the merge. A few quick tips to keep things looking polished. Use merged cells for section titles or category labels at the top of columns, and for side labels that span multiple rows. This gives your table a clear visual hierarchy and makes it easier for viewers to scan. After merging, you can fine-tune the look the same way you would with any table cell, adjusting text size, color, and spacing so the merged area matches your design. That's all there is to it. Open your project, select the table, shift-click the cells you want to combine, right-click, and choose Merge Cells. It's a small move that can make a big difference in how professional and readable your table appears.